KTSV is uniquely positioned to supply highly specialized custom trailers, trucks, and vehicles for any application to mobilize our customer's product, service, or mission.
Well, what I think we're known for is culture. It's safety, a big thing. It's quality, it's building quality in the things that we make. The thing that sticks out most to me is continuous improvement. Well, some of the biggest challenges that we faced with this process and this particular build, we had a lot of time in processing. Lots of drilling, popping of holes, plug welding, lots of grinding, trailers are getting dirty, things like that.
Prior to the laser welding, we had to spot weld each sheet to one another. And in between each of these spot welds, we have to grind it down flat so each sheet sits flat and flush against the previous one. That is a longer process, very time consuming, lots of cleanup, lots of dust.
We were able to basically remove that process and use the laser essentially like a nail gun. No need for a hole, no need for grinding, and fire that light straight through the sheets and join all of them together in one shot.
Well, I think what made us choose the optics was really the overall looking at reduction of the process time for this particular build. We were at 215 hours doing it the way we were doing it, and now we're basically down at 85 hours.
The weld quality and the consistency has improved dramatically because you set the laser up and you really don't have to touch it. We have devices on the laser to hold your angle of welding.
The training time for the laser versus other welding processes is a lot quicker. Anyone can laser weld because with MIG, you have to know the wires stick out, you have to watch the puddle, you have to watch the speed, and with the laser welding, it does it for you.
One of the biggest benefits of the laser is how low of heat input it is. It is drastically lower than any arc welding process.
Miller Electric and KTSV are similar in that both companies focus heavily on innovation, whether it's Miller with weld technology or KTSV with innovations within the truck and trailer industry.
Weld quality has improved and consistency has improved, and I believe it's more effective at holding steel together. Using this process in the future will be a definite.
We are always challenging ourselves to do better. How do we make our products lighter? How do we make our products easier to use? Most important, how do we make our products safer for the end user?